Just apply the concealer air cushion directly. It looks like this concealer effect is strong. It's okay. His piano is the more hydrated one. Actually, I like the makeup effect. Use this today. Thumbs up for you. While in the face. Everyone has something to do. Wait for him to work for a while. Then we uncovered him in place with a small puff. Put this. What are you doing? When the eyebrows are brightened, you can bring your temples. But we still use 2C filament. It's more gentle. Drop it like this. Then do the same nose shadow as you usually do. Outline a nose. Put some chin on your chin and put it in for him. And one last bit. Right in the face. Give him a pat on the chin. Just type a V shape when you shoot. This one in the middle brightens. Don't cover him up. Just give him a little color. Then take the eyelids. Pinch the nose here. Try to shoot it in place, and then it's equivalent to having one. Does the small nose shadow exist? Perfect base makeup. It's almost like this before setting makeup now. You can set your makeup. Not a single loose powder is enough. The base makeup will bring it try as you like. New eyebrow pencil draws a little hair flew out. I use brown. It works. Can this be thin? You'll feel different next time. And then, just fill it in for him with this eyebrow powder. A pale and lightest color. Use another eyebrow dye. Light brown will do. My hair color is a little brown. Just let's use this plate. Most of them are of this kind and the brush is still limited. I like the width of the brush holder. No fishmail. The eye socket can be ironed directly here. Then iron it left and right. Go in his direction. Moisten the back of the nose. Now it's basically a shape. Just came out. Then you want him more. Add obviously, you can add 2 deeper lines. Just give him a little. His overall shape is in. Where's my considerate little brush? Be considerate or dip this. Matte highlight. Draw a little triangle here on the nose. The highest point is drawn horizontally and then it is ironed down. Iron it down and you have a small triangle. Just draw the bridge of the nose. There is also an eye brightening obvious chiaroscuro. Then the eyebrow bone goes down. And a little tear ditch. Can make him disappear. I use a serpentine brush like this. Hey, experience me here. Then just faint out. Nakong is also here in the face. Makong. Temple. There is still a contour trimming, stacking corner brush for the first time. Swipe on your jawline. Then start smudging up. Smudge, 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 smudge. That's right, that's right. Eyeshadow is simpler. It's grooming. Color is fine. Cover your eyelids. Mainly to reduce swelling. Added a small eyeshadow brush, or dip this color to deepen. Going down here is to deepen the end of the eye. Professional head this. Will be fixed in the middle of the shaded part. Then smudge forward and backward. Wow, my AGO Sal is about to jump out. If you think it's too thick, you can press it with this. Give with grooming color. Let's press. For double eyelid stickers, I use an olive one. This kind, after we open our eyes and follow our eyes. so ugly. So practice makes perfect. Okay, it's normal to paste asymmetry. Whose double eyelids are symmetrical. Our eyelashes are very, very simple. Just brush them a few times more with a rich type. Be sure to wipe it clean before use, since I started wearing light makeup. Almost no false eyelashes. Eyelash base, apply a layer first. I don't know what eyelash primer is. I should be about the same. Then just wear the lower eyelashes. I'll apply another thicker mascara. Okay. Oh my god. The brown eyeliner pen is ready. It's not an eyeliner, it's eyeshadow. You can also use a separate brush. This toe brush. Eyebrow brush is okay. Dip this darker this color. Draw an eyeliner at the end of the eye. Good looking. Like a little, I think of a whole blush here again. Body. Muscular position. The nose, the bridge of the nose is also here. The words on this side. You focus on deepening the middle first. Then row him on. Then draw it down and draw it as a small C. This feeling, this decoration is really very beautiful every day. Wipe it on the weekend. Just use a lighter one. Similar to almond base. Just look for a similar color. The first step is to use this. Then use your fingers to smudge the edges for him. This is a more natural color. Use another. A little orange. It squints in the middle of its lips. Sometimes this has to smudge. That's about the color. Made of these two colors. This light makeup is over, it's really super simple. Go back and try. And mainly without false eyelashes. Really super comfortable. See you next time, bye.